Hello, Bulldogs. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and today we are working on lesson 27. But before we get started on that lesson, I want us to warm up on this page. I want you to take a moment and think. What do you notice about the pictures that you see? I notice that there are pennies here and there are also some quarters here. So the first thing that I want us to do is count all of our objects. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So altogether we have 10 coins. What do you think the 10 represents? Or what do you think the 10 is? Yes, I think the 10 is the whole because that's how many we have all together. So I'm going to put 10 in the whole. Now let's see, how many pennies do we have? Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pennies do we have? Yes, 5. So we know that 5 is a part, one of our parts. Now let's see, how many quarters do we have? Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many quarters do we have? Get ready. Yes, we have 5 quarters, and we know that 5 is our other part. Now, moving on to our lesson for today. Again, we are on lesson 27, and that is on page 83. I'm going to give you all 10 seconds to write your name. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job writing your name so neatly. Today on lesson 27, we are going to break apart our pictures or our drawings using the number 10 as our whole. So I'll read the directions for the first problem. Benjamin had 10 bananas. How many bananas? Yes, 10 bananas. He dropped some of the bananas. Fill in the number bond to show Benjamin's bananas. So, as the problem said, we have 10 bananas, and we know that 10 is our whole because that's how many we have all together. Now, let's count how many of those bananas he dropped. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas did Benjamin drop? Yes, 4. And 4 is one of our parts. So I'm going to write 4 right there in the part. Now, what about the bananas that he did not drop? How many are there? Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bananas are not dropped? Yes, 6. And we know that 6 is our other part. So I'm going to write 6 right there in the other part of the number bond. Let's change our color to orange and move on to problem number 2. Savannah had 10 pairs of glasses. How many pairs of glasses? Yes, she had 10 pairs of glasses. 5 are green and the rest are purple. Color and fill in the number bond. So actually, I'm going to change my color to green. 5 are green. And the rest of the glasses are purple. So I'm going to color the rest of the glasses purple. So that way we can find our parts and our whole. Now, keep in mind, there are 10 glasses altogether. So 10 is your, yes, 10 is your whole. So you will write your number 10 in the whole. 5 are green. How many are green? Yes, 5 of those pairs of glasses are green. So we know that 5 of those glasses is one of the parts. And the rest are purple. So what do you think you have to do to find the other part? Yes, you have to count the pairs of glasses that are purple and also fill it into your number bind. Moving on to problem number 3. I'll read the story. Xavier had 10 baseballs. How many baseballs did Xavier have? Yes, he had 10 baseballs. Some were white and the rest were gray. Draw the balls in color to show how many may be white and gray. Fill in your number bind. So, I'm going to click on the color gray. I'm going to draw. Let's click on the color black. I'm going to draw 10 baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those are the 10 baseballs. Now, the story says that some are white and the rest are gray. So in this problem, you can color in however many baseballs you want, but not all of them. Some that are gray and then some that are white. You would count your whole to see how many you have all together, and then you will count how many were white and how many were gray and fill it into your number bind. For your next problem, I'll read the story. There were 10 dragons playing. How many dragons were playing? Yes, 10 dragons were playing. Some were flying and some were running. Draw the dragons. Fill in the number bind. So here you also have an opportunity to draw your dragons. Now remember, some of those dragons are flying. All of those dragons are not flying. Some are flying and some are running. So you're going to draw your 10 dragons. I'll draw my 10 dragons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are my 10 dragons. I have some that are flying in the sky and I have some that are running on the ground. But you can draw your own dragons flying in the sky and you can draw your own dragons flying on the ground. Make sure you count how many you have all together to find what your whole is and then fill it in your number bind. And then on the last problem, you're going to create your own story of 10. So draw your story in a number bind to go with it. So you can draw your number bind on the side, like me right here. And then over here in this space, you can create your own story. So if you want 5 red gumballs and 5 green gumballs, you can draw your gumballs here, find your 2 parts, and fill in your hole. Or if you want 3 pairs of black shoes and 7 pairs of red shoes, you can draw your story here, find your hole, and fill in your 2 parts. please remember to take pictures of your completed awesome work and send it to your teacher. Have a great day.